Hi guys, my name is Tanya. I go by the Nappy Life here on YouTube, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm gonna do a facial. Yeah, I'm gonna do a facial. My skin has been going through a lot lately, as you can see. Yeah, I usually don't get breakouts, but I haven't really been taking proper care of my skin. I've been in quarantine, working from home since the pandemic hit, and I kind of fell off the wagon as far as, you know, like self-care. So I'm getting back into it, working out, eating healthy, but I've been neglecting the surface stuff, like the skin. Sometimes I don't even put on lotion. I don't have to. No one's gonna see me. I don't care if I'm ashy, but you know, that's not good for my skin. But anyways, so the product I'm gonna be using today is the Radiance Spin Care System by Duvolle. There it is. Duvolle actually sent this to me, so I appreciate it. If you're interested in purchasing this, there is a coupon code in the description box. And it comes with a facial exfoliation brush, a large body cleansing brush, and a facial cleansing brush, as well as a pumice stone. I'm most excited for the pumice stone and the large body cleansing brush, especially if I can attach it to the skin brush and use it. Oh, we're doing a whole spa day. So this is what it looks like. So I guess this would be the pumice stone. I don't know which one is the exfoliating brush or the cleansing brush, but this is what it comes with. This is the spin thing, the pumice stone, the body brush. One of these is exfoliator and the other one is a cleanser. I'm thinking this one is the exfoliator because it's a little bit like harder, and this one is like super soft. All right, so let's try this thing out. Oh, it comes with directions. That's always helpful. I honestly don't usually read directions, so I don't. It takes too much time. All right, I'm back. I have 4 batteries in this thing, and this is why it pays to read directions. Had I read the directions, I would have known exactly what I needed. All right, let me get this in there. Put them batteries in there. Oh yeah, we're in business. Okay. So this is the Radiance Spin Care System. I've used spin brushes in the past. This one feels pretty sturdy. The reason I don't have one right now is because the one that I had broke, but it wasn't as sturdy as this is. This is it right here. All right, so the Radiance Spin Care System, it says here that it's water resistant. That's cool. All right, let me first try it with the body care brush. So now I'm going in with the cleansing brush on my face. It's very gentle. So now I'm going in with my exfoliating brush, and I'm gonna use a scrub today. It's nothing special, it's just the Burt's Bees scrub. My skin actually looks and feels pretty good right now. It feels so good. So good. I needed that. Definitely needed that. Okay, so yeah, I love that Spin Care System. I'm not saying that because they sent it to me, but that's definitely gonna be my staple. My favorite, of course, is the body brush, the exfoliating body brush. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be a regular part of my routine. And I like the pumice stone. Is that what it's called? Let me try my facts. Yeah, I like the pumice stone as well because I definitely needed something for my heels. They look a hot mess. But overall, like, my skin feels great. Okay, I'm gonna put on a mask and then we're done with spa day. Okay guys, I'm back and I washed off the face mask and moisturized my skin, and that's how it's looking. And aside from being tired as hell, I love how my skin is looking and feeling right now. This is exactly what I needed. Exactly what I needed. So, special gift for you. If you use my code NappyLife70, you get 70% off the Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System. And you get 4 attachments with this. This is the exfoliating body brush, which I absolutely love. This is my absolute favorite exfoliating body brush. You get the exfoliating face brush, the cleansing brush, which they say also, you know, I mean, you can use them interchangeably. They both exfoliate. So, and then you get the pumice stone, which I thought this was really neat. Like, because who thinks of using a spin brush on their calluses? I mean, I love this. 2 favorites right here: the body brush and the pumice stone. So yeah, use code NappyLife70 for 70% off. The system is usually $95, but you'll get it for, I think, $29. That's a deal. Christmas is coming up. You could gift it to someone. Gift it to yourself. I like buying gifts for myself for Christmas. That's not selfish at all. Anyways, guys, that's it for my review. I absolutely love the Spin Care System. It's definitely now a staple of mine. So hopefully, you know, if you give it a try, you like it too. Thank you for watching with me, sticking with me through this video. I know it's not the norm, but I think I'm going to start doing things outside of my lock, outside of talking about my locks, because like there's only so much I can do. I don't do too much to my hair, but I do a whole bunch of other stuff, so I'll be sharing that with you as well. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much for following my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.